And it goes a little something like,
Oh, how can love you all summer and after fall I'll keep you all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Darliin and my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So today I'm going to recreate this look. This is my everyday look. Wherever I'm going, I would literally do this. So it's church, weddings, literally my everyday. So everywhere I go, this is the look I would do. And usually I won't have false lashes because I would have done the individual lashes. However, because we're quarantining, there's no shops that are open currently, so I have to make do. My sister actually sent me a link which I will put down below, and I purchased these lashes and they're really good. I love it because they give that feather effect, if you know what I mean, and they're just like out there. It's just nice and it looks really natural. Anyways, if you're interested in recreating this look and you'd like to have a go, why not give it a go? Have a try and then actually comment down below and let me know whether you had a go at retrying or recreating this look. Anyway, see you in my next video. Bye. So I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line in Black Track, and I'm going to use that to line my brows. Notice that I don't draw into my brows, I streak through. So that I draw it through, and I start off very light and work my way through to get the shape. Then I begin to draw the arch, making sure that it's very pointy. Then I begin to work through it to the front. So now I'm going to draw through it. So now I'm going to use my concealer. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Espresso. That is almost my skin colour and it makes life a lot more easier. So I'll just pop it here. I literally use the LA Girl Pro to draw my whole eyebrow, the actual thing to draw it. So I don't use a special brow brush. Not that I don't have it, I just like Easy Go. So this is my Easy Go makeup. I still have my brushes from when I used to do makeup. I know you don't draw the top anymore, but I like to draw it. Why not? Still makes life easier. That is because I've never threaded my eyebrows before. I've never threaded my eyebrows before, so I feel as though I need to do it to get the shape. Otherwise you wouldn't need to really do it. You know what? I'm not even going to be upset because they're never equal. So I'm not going to cry that my eyebrows are not equal because they're literally not the same. But I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to pretend as if I've not seen it. Otherwise it's going to irritate me. And when you try to fix it, that's when it just messes up. So you just leave it. Just leave it as it is. So I'm just blending it downward. So at this stage, I have just moisturized my face. And then I've put my eye moisturizer on. That's gonna irritate me. Now I've got to do this part. So all the brushes I'm using here is Real Technique, apart from the MAC brushes that I've used to like draw in my brows, but everything is Real Technique. So I'm going to use my Real Technique brush. I don't think they have special names for it for this one, especially the set. Everyone has it. Very old set. And what I do is I literally use it to blend around it so it looks extremely natural, but at least it doesn't look too drawn in. So I'm going to use my MAC Strobe Cream. I'm going to rub this into my face. I like to get it around hit my cheeks, my forehead, my chin area, here, the nose, just so that I can get the natural glow. So like the natural glow will just bounce on my face, basically illuminating my face. Although we can't go out, we still want to look bleaky at home, isn't it? So my face is all shiny. Under my eyes, I'm going to apply beautiful bronze. I don't really like to do my forehead because I feel like I like to think I've got a big forehead. When I was young, I used to get told I had a big forehead, but since I grew up, maybe my face became fatter and rounder. But when I was young, I didn't really have a big face or a round face. Let's put it that way. I didn't have a round face, so I had a really big forehead with big teeth. So I'm going to use my Real Technique brush again, and I'm going to blend it through, pressing it down into my skin so don't brush it off. For makeup to be applied really well, you need to press it into your skin. That's the way it sort of looks like your own skin color, and it looks good. If makeup cannot press into your skin and it looks all rubbed up on your skin, it's not good foundation, or you've not applied it properly. So this is all done without foundation, literally. Make sure you get this area, because I've been seeing a lot of people's foundation or makeup and they've done everything and this part is black, doesn't look right. Use my banana powder, Ben 9 banana powder, to set under my eye. I don't know if people still do that, where they put a lot of powder under their eye. I think that's old fashioned, we don't do that no more. So I'll put some here and I'll put some there. The whole point is to press in the powder, press it in, so you don't have a white cast. Know what I mean? If you know what I mean, know what I mean. Press into your eyes as well, just so, because sometimes you can get a bit of crease and it doesn't look nice. And I've stopped using eyeshadow for some weird reason. I'm just a very easy go person, so don't really use the eyeshadow anymore. I'm going to get my Ben 9 and my Real Technique, the bigger brush, and this is in ebony, so the Ben 9 translucent in ebony, and I'm going to press it into my skin. So this is going to give me my natural skin color. It's literally blending in, it's transitioned really well. The better you blend it, the better it looks, basically. You know what I mean? Can I tell you a secret? That's the end of my makeup. I'm going to contour, so bring in some shadows on my face so it doesn't look too flat. I know that I've done a bit of it, but I'm going to do a bit more. So my contour, I'm using this color here on the Beauty Crop Espresso Yourself. Anyways, I'm using Americano, the color Americano, and I'm going to use it to like put shadows all over my face. Literally, that's it. So I'm actually going to put a highlighter on next. In my last video, I did tell you that I'm still using Cheeky Bronze by MAC, and it's pretty old. I don't know if they still sell it because I've used it. This is my second one, and I've used it for a while. So I don't really put a lot of makeup on lately, so this has lasted me than before. So this amount, just rubbed it in, and I'm going to highlight the right places. So that will be on top of my cheekbone. Do the same here. I don't really use a lot of highlighter because I just feel like, for video purposes, I used to use quite a lot, but I just feel like it's not for going out, so I'll be lying to you if I tell you that I'm using a lot. So I'm going to apply my eyelashes. Now I'm using this eyelash that my sister suggested to me because she kind of looked cute, kind of looked really pretty, and I thought, where did you get your lashes from? Because I needed my lashes doing, right? It's quarantine and everywhere's closed. And she said, oh, I got it from eBay, I'll send you the link. And I was like, oh, okay. So the last time I used it was pretty good, so I really like the lashes, so I'm going to use it again. I did buy 3 packs, just in case I liked it, and I did like it. So I'm just going to put my mascara on, and the mascara I'm using is Maybelline New York. I saw a girl that had it, and I was like, oh, I'll give it a go, and it's pretty good. But I don't really use mascara, I only use it for the purposes of gluing my lashes. I know you're probably thinking, you haven't lined your eyes, but I stopped doing that. I don't do it no more. I don't really want to do it. Don't really like it. Don't really like all thick eyeliner up there. Don't like it. Not doing it. I'm going to put my lipstick on whilst I wait for my eyelashes to dry. So I'm using Chestnut as usual. It's the only thing I use. And I'm using Honey Love by MAC. It's a little bit like Velvet Teddy, but a bit lighter. So I'm going to line my, it's a little bit lighter. You're gonna get scared, but you see how I blend it in. I think it's ready now, so I'm going to glue it on. Do you know how long I've had this tweezer for? Over 10 years since I was at uni in 2009. And we're in 2020 and I'm still using this tweezer. I'm so shocked. And I think I got this from Primark many moons ago. If it's not Primark, then it's probably Wilkinson's or B&M. But it was like many years ago that I had it, and I bought it for 80p, and the shape is just so perfect. Any tweezer that I get doesn't work. It's just this one, this particular one. So it works perfectly fine for me. It's almost like I'm used to this particular tweezer that if I use any tweezer, I'm not happy about it. I'm going to take my headscarf off. Now, remember I told you that there was going to be a line here and I was going to show you how to blend it in. Ta-da! About to do it. I'm going to use these two brushes. Remember, this has got the contour and this has got the highlighter. So all I do is use the highlighter brush first. So what I do is to brush it, not too much, that just get rid of the line. So it'll look like, ta-da! See? Now I've got this part. I'll use this one for this part. Literally, that's it. And I can decide to put my headband on because I don't like the headband. The headband look. Look at my finished look. Look at my finished look. Okay, but get rid of the headband for now and you can see how it looks. And this is the finished look. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Because I do. 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 I can decide to put a number of headbands on. So I've got the plain big one. You guys like it? If you like it, why don't you just comment down below which one? Tell me which one which one's your favorite headband. So this is my favorite. Always wearing it everywhere I go, every day. Yeah. Do you like this one? I think I like this one. I think we'll go with this one. Yes. So this is the end of the look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope try it. Do you know what? Try this look out and let me know what you think. Apply makeup without foundation, and that's the end. That's literally it. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, share it, show some love, girls. Share it to your auntie. If you're a guy, share it to your friend, your female friend, your mom, everyone, literally everyone must try this look. Literally everyone must see this video, because it's quarantine and we need to have some motives. What, watching TV? Yeah, motives watching YouTube. Why not my channel?